Hello viewers, welcome to Mossad Digital Agency free tutorial platform. This channel was created to lecture and nurture beginners and experts on anything related to Google Ads advertising, such as how to create and set up Google Ads account, how to create Google Ads campaigns like search ad campaign, Google display campaign, Google performance campaign. And guess what? This tutorial platform is rendered free of charge. All you need to do is to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification symbol to get up to date on any of our tutorials. We also cover advanced topics for experts on campaign management and optimization. If you have any topic of interest or any question that you want us to address, all you need to do is to drop it on the comment box and we will definitely attend to it. Also, this platform is created to provide opportunities on anything relating to digital market advertising. So not just nurturing you or tutoring you or making you to know the skills, but we will from time to time enhance your capacity by driving down those opportunities that you need to grab and make a living in digital marketing advertising as far as Google Ads is concerned. So what are you waiting for? Just proceed and subscribe to the channels and hit the notification button so that you can see everything or all you need to know on Google advertising, Google Ad tools from A to Z. Thank you.